The Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is expected to launch this month. The device already surfaced on TENAA, revealing its specs and design. To date, Xiaomi CEO, Lei Jun has released a picture of the retail box. The retail box doesn't reveal much, and has a similar design Xiaomi uses for its phones now. There is a Mi logo at the top right corner, and Max 3 written in gold in a larger font at the bottom. There is also Mi Max 3 written on the side. The leak reveals that the Mi Max 3 will be embracing the full-screen design, as it will be supporting Full HD Plus resolution, with its LCD display of 6.99 inches. This suggests that the handset may carry support for 18:9 aspect ratio. The Snapdragon 710 that powers the likes of Xiaomi Mi 8 SE and Vivo Nex A will be powering the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. It will be available in two RAM variants of 4GB and 6GB. The Mi Max 3 will be the first phone in its series to arrive with a dual camera setup. It is expected to feature 20 megapixel as the primary sensor. It is the very same camera sensor that has found Xiaomi flagship phones like Xiaomi Mi 8 and Mi Nix 2S. There is no information available on the secondary sensor, as well as the selfie snapper of the phone. The handset is also equipped with stereo speakers. The color variants of the Mi Max 3 Pro are black and gold. As far as the design of the Mi Max 3 is concerned, it matches with the leak that had surfaced through its TENAA listing. A fingerprint scanner can be seen residing, with the vertical dual camera setup, on the back panel of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Mi Max 3 will be running on Android 8.1 ARIA operating system, out of the box, with the company's own custom interface MIUI 10. The device is expected to be powered by a 5400 mAh battery. As for the price is concerned, the Mi Max 3 will sell for 1,699 yen, $257. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.